Prayer is a powerful tool that allows us to connect with a higher power and seek guidance, comfort, and blessings. However, many of us struggle to understand the true essence of effective prayer. In the Gospel of Luke, chapter 11, verse 9, we find a profound message that unlocks the secret to powerful and impactful prayers. This verse holds the key to transforming our prayer lives and experiencing a deeper connection with the divine. Let us delve into the mystery of Luke 11 verse 9 and discover how it can revolutionize our prayer life. The mystery of Luke 11 verse 9 unveiled, a key to powerful prayers. Luke 11 verse 9 states, "So I say to you, ask, and it will be given to you, seek, and you will find, knock, and it will be opened to you." This verse holds the essence of effective prayer, revealing the importance of persistence and faith. The simplicity of these words may lead us to underestimate their profound impact on our prayers. By highlighting the actions of asking, seeking, and knocking, this verse reminds us that prayer is an active process that requires our continuous effort and faith. To unlock the power of Luke 11 verse 9, we must understand that it calls us to approach prayer with confidence, trust, and perseverance. The key lies in our willingness to diligently seek what we desire, to boldly ask for it, and to persistently knock on the door of our divine provider. Luke 11 verse 9 reminds us that God desires to give and bless us abundantly, but it is our role to actively engage in prayer, believing that our requests will be heard and answered. This verse teaches us that effective prayer is not a passive act, but rather an active partnership with the divine. Unleashing the Power Within, a step-by-step guide to Luke 11 verse 9. To truly tap into the power of Luke 11 verse 9 and experience effective prayer, we must embrace a step-by-step approach. The first step begins with cultivating a deep and personal relationship with the divine. By developing an intimate connection with God, we lay the foundation for effective communication through prayer. It is essential to spend time in solitude, meditation, and scripture to nurture this relationship, allowing us to align our desires with God's will. The next step involves identifying our needs and desires through introspection and reflection. Luke 11 verse 9 urges us to ask for what we seek. This requires us to be honest with ourselves and God about our heart's desires. Once we have identified our needs, we can then confidently present them to God in prayer, knowing that He is eager to listen and respond. The final step is perhaps the most crucial: persistence. Luke 11 verse 9 emphasizes the importance of persistence in prayer. We must continue to seek, ask, and knock, even when our prayers seem unanswered or our faith wavers. By persevering in prayer, we demonstrate our trust in God's timing and His perfect plan for our lives. Our persistence not only deepens our relationship with God, but also positions us to receive His blessings and answers to our prayers. From doubt to faith, harnessing Luke 11 verse 9 for effective prayer. Luke 11 verse 9 has the power to transform our prayer lives, taking us from a place of doubt to a place of unwavering faith. Doubt often creeps into our minds when our prayers are not answered immediately or in the way we expect. However, this verse encourages us to move beyond doubt by reminding us of God's faithfulness and His desire to provide for His children. When we embrace the teachings of Luke 11 verse 9, our doubts are replaced with a deep-rooted faith that fuels our prayers. We begin to trust that God hears us, that He is working behind the scenes, and that His timing is perfect. This newfound faith allows us to approach prayer with confidence, knowing that our requests will be answered according to God's will. Unlocking the power of Luke 11 verse 9, a transformative journey in prayer. Luke 11 verse 9 holds the key to unlocking the power of prayer. By understanding and applying the teachings of this verse, we embark on a transformative journey in our prayer lives. Through persistence, faith, and active engagement with the divine, we can revolutionize our communication with God and experience the profound impact of effective prayer. Let us embrace the wisdom of Luke 11 verse 9 and embark on a journey of unwavering faith and powerful prayer. Please like and subscribe for more content. Complete videos are on our channel. Thank you.